In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Apex debug log in Salesforce. This can be a very useful tool when you're trying to troubleshoot or optimize your code, as it offers an in-depth look at what's happening behind the scenes. Let's dive right into it, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. To begin with, we're going to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Quick Settings area. This is usually located at the top of your screen, and it provides you easy access to a variety of options and tools that Salesforce offers. After accessing Quick Settings, your next move is to select Open Advanced Setup. This is crucial as it opens up more detailed configuration settings, allowing us to delve deeper into creating and managing our debug logs. Once you're in Advanced Setup, use the search bar and type in Debug Logs. This search will help you quickly locate the area where you'll be managing your logs, and ensures you're not spending unnecessary time sifting through a menu of options. With Debug Logs in view, click on the Debug Logs option. This is where we'll be setting up our new log. You'll notice a New button here, which you'll click to start creating a new Apex debug log. Now we have to choose a traced entity type. In essence, this step is about selecting what kind of entity you'll be tracing. Salesforce offers several options here, including users and classes, among others. Each of these entities can be used to manage how you gather and analyze your debug data. Once that's set, it's time to choose a traced entity name. This specifies the particular user or piece of code that you want to trace. Click on the magnifying glass icon to search and select the precise entity from your Salesforce environment. Next up, we must focus on selecting a user. This is where you define which user's actions or processes are being tracked. Again, use the magnifying glass to navigate through and select the appropriate user from the options presented. After selecting the user, direct your attention to the debug level. Debug levels control what kind of information gets written to the log. You'll want to choose an appropriate level that matches your troubleshooting needs, whether you are seeking detailed information or just an overview. You will again see a magnifying glass icon. Click on it to explore different debug level setups that Salesforce offers, and select the one most suitable for your requirements. As you move forward, you'll need to choose a start date. This is self-explanatory, marking when your logging begins to ensure it covers the window of interest. Similarly, choose an expiration date. This sets the end of your logging period. Be mindful here to choose a time frame that ensures you capture all the necessary data for your investigation or optimization project. Once all these selections are made, your final step is quite simple. Hit Save. By saving, you've now successfully set up an Apex debug log in Salesforce. This log will help you in monitoring and improving your Salesforce applications for better performance and reliability. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and reach out in case of any questions. Happy debugging!